If you're opening the X app and getting hit with login currently unavailable, don't panic. There's a 10-second fix and I'm going to show you right now. So you open the X app and instead of your feed, you get this login currently unavailable. Something went wrong. You tap try again and nothing happens. The app is just stuck. This has been happening to loads of people and there's nothing in the X help center about it. But someone on Reddit found a clever workaround using a feature that's already on your phone. Here's what you do. Go to your home screen and find the X app and long press it. Just hold your finger down on the icon for a couple of seconds. A little menu will pop up. You'll see things like edit home screen, share app, but the one you want is Grok. It'll have a little sparkle icon next to it. Tap Grok. This opens X through the back door. It loads the app but skips the broken login screen entirely. Once X is open, you can log into your account from there and that's it. You're in. And hopefully that has fixed your problem.